Good morning, guys. Welcome to Solana. All right, we have what is called an indecision point in Solana. What's going to happen today? Are we going to start shooting up or going to move back down? Let's pull out an eclipse tool right here. You guys can access that under the tool brush. You guys click to the left, click to the right, and move it up. This is the pressure point that I'm looking at right now. We are entering into this area where we're either going to fly up or we could possibly be flying back down. It depends, but I want to show you guys some evidence today how short trades have been moving out of the market, maybe making way for a bull run to come. Let's take a look at that in today's video. All right, guys, we're currently sitting at 97 for 97 wins on this channel. We've never lost a crypto trade. The previous trade before the last one we won was actually 96 for 96 wins, and that was for 10.28% profit. So great job for those of you guys who in AVAX. We are not out of this trade yet. We still have money in this trade to keep making more money on. And then for Matic, we just ended up taking a 10.21% profit this morning. I showed you guys my account where I actually ended up taking that on the last video, which was EOS. So congrats, guys. Everyone who's following us over here, we have never lost a trade. If you guys stick around to the second half of the video, I'll show you exactly how to get over here and how to get into the Telegram channel and take all of our trades so you can trade with us. And we're going to try to go 100 for 100 wins before the end of the year and 200 for 200 wins in the year of 2022. Okay, guys, let's dive in here. We see that we have a pressure point. First thing I like to do is check to see what is going on with the price versus money flow. What is going on with the trend exhaustion? Guys, my goal here when I came out with these, I was like, you know what, here's exactly my thinking. I was like, okay, there is not an indicator on the market I can find on TradingView that shows us the relativity of what's happening with price and what's happening with the flow of money with larger transactions on the blockchain. Basically, retail traders aren't going to be affecting this. This is institutions and such like that. How can we actually visually represent what's happening with the flow of money as well as price? That is what came out, and that's what the original idea was here. It is really fun to look at this and so you guys can predict what's happening in the market. Let me show you how to do this. If you guys see, here's a great example. What do you guys see right here? You see a low, look at the pink section, by the way. A low, a high, a higher low, pushing up barely to a higher high here. What is happening with price structure? You guys would call that what? An uptrend, right? Perfect. It's not a trick question. Good job. It's called an uptrend. What you guys can see over here now is what's happening with the flow of money. We see a high point as well as a move back down around the same structure here. This is showing that the flow of money is moving out of the market while price structure is moving up in pink. Green moving down, pink moving up. This is how we are able to get drops back down in the market, is when the flow of money does not follow the structure of price. That is how this is so powerful, and I love it's like candy on a chart, guys. It's watching the difference between these two of when you start seeing, price action move up here. But let's play this into today's analysis. Price action is moving up here, but what's happening? We're seeing money flow out of the market. This to me tells me that we could be in for a little bit of a drop here. Why? Because money is not following where price is going. This is how we've been able to call some serious drops and pops in the market. Okay. Now, with that said, this is also coded in here to show us when we start getting very high with the money flow in here, this is where long trades, or what we can call buying orders, start looking to sell their long trades, or they start looking to sell. That is how we're able to call these big drops in the market. I want to just give you guys a little extra tutorial on this video because it's going to play in today's analysis. The trend exhaustion, here was my thinking. I said, you know what? I don't feel like there's an indicator out here that can visually give us nice red zones to be able to call the tops and the bottoms of market and to be able to give us really good data on this. And then on top of that, there was not an indicator out there on TradingView that you guys could actually get really quality data. And this is actually a built-in indicator in TradingView, which I added on top of this, all the red and all the code here. But we actually, I don't talk about this a lot. And I'm sorry I don't do this a lot, guys, but this actually has built-in coded alerts. This is the first indicator of its kind that I can find like this. If you guys actually come over here and you guys see me consistently saying when the trend exhaustion is in the top red section here, look for drops back down in the market. When the trend exhaustion is top in the market, look for the drop back down. Trend exhaustion is high in the market, look for the drop back down. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. If you want to set this up, I'm going to do a little bit more like tutorial today because I've been getting questions about this and I hopefully just answering your questions. To set an alert up here so you guys can call the tops and the bottoms, this is insane. Come over here to the alerts, click the alert section. To come up here, you don't click Solana. You want to actually come down and actually click trend exhaustion. And then what I did is I actually coded in all of this in here to show a drop or a pump that's coming. Not available on any TradingView indicator that you guys can get, okay? Pump and drop. So let's just play this. I know a lot of you guys use the buy limits to get into our trades, but when you're looking for drops, you definitely want to be looking at this. So what you can do is you can say watch for drop. This is going to give you guys an alert when the white line here moves up into the top red section here, and then it's going to give you guys an alert for a potential move back down. You guys can do once per bar, and I actually coded this in here as well to show the message watch for drop. And you can do the alert name like SOL, possible drop. So we can do like that. And then you guys can create this. Once you create this, this will actually set up in your TradingView account. Depending on what plan you guys have, you will be able to set this up and get it on your phone or even TradingView here, and you'll get an alert, and it will actually make a sound or even possibly an email, depending on how you guys have it set up. That is why these two are so important. Like, I couldn't find this on TradingView anywhere. Yeah, there's built-in indicators for free on TradingView that can create these, the white line to show you guys, where it's going up and down. There is nothing that can come out here and show you guys the accuracy of where the top and the bottom is with alerts, and it is so powerful. This is what I'm looking at right now. If we get into this section right here and we start seeing a pump up here, you need to watch for the trend exhaustion and push in the top red section here, showing that the trend itself is being exhausted. When the trend is going up here, this is where we're looking for reversals. That's why it's called the trend exhaustion. I wanted to be able to call reversals of trend. If you can predict a trend reversal, it is where the most momentum is in the market for a move back down. That's why this is so powerful. So if we break up to the upside here, the greatest resistance is sitting around this level about $200, and that's also what's called a whole number. Okay, once this pushes up here, you guys are also going to see a trend exhaustion move up to the top section. Guarantee you guys, as well as the well money flow moving up here. Okay, this is where I'm looking for moves back down in the market. That is where you guys can exit some of the long trades you guys are currently in. Now, full disclosure, I'm going to wait till the price is back up here above break even, because I think we can definitely get up there and we're not that far away. We could possibly hit there within the next 2 to 3 weeks. So I wanted to show that to you guys, because a lot of you guys ask about that. You guys, some of you don't even realize you can set up alerts here. Like, that is something that's brand new to this indicator you can't find anywhere. So that is super cool, and I had a ton of requests for it. And then what I did is I actually just gave you guys all that free update. I gave a free update to everybody for that. So take advantage of the alerts, guys, if you have a pro account or higher for TradingView. Okay, let's go over the metrics for Solana. I told you guys short trades are dropping out. This is actually really bullish, and I'm jacked about this. So 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We are seeing the emotional index right now in the neutral section. Okay, the neutral section. What does this mean? It means that we don't know if we're going up or down. That is perfectly correlated. It's kind of crazy that this metric here that just tracks the emotions of the market can actually tell us we're neutral. And you look at the structure and it's literally at a neutral perspective because we're in a symmetrical triangle. Guys, these metrics are going to help you guys navigate the market and maybe control your emotions a little bit better so you're not FOMOing in. Take a look at this, guys. Long versus short trades in the market for Solana. Short trades completely moved out. And not only did short trades move out, long trades actually went up. This is an extremely bullish sign for us on Solana. So could we move down? Absolutely. Like, don't let anybody convince you, oh, we have to move up because short trades moved out. What I'm trying to present to you guys today is that this has an incredible potential of moving up because of what we see on the blockchain. Short trades moving out of the market gives us a path of least resistance for a move up because more people are buying than shorting. Okay. If we've got people shorting, that actually puts pressure on the price from going up any higher. Okay, it's a matter of pressure and where orders are currently placed. Long versus short trade risk. Where's the risk? Well, in a symmetrical triangle, you usually try to predict if it's better, more favor for long trades or short trades. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it's hard to tell. That is why if you again look over here, we are sitting exactly in the neutral phase. The best thing to do in this case is to actually set up buy limits. And I'll show you guys how to access those because that's how we're winning all of our trades over here. So give me just like 30 more seconds here. Moving down here. Well and institutional smart money for Solana. Here's what we're seeing here. Well, you guys are actually able to see that when the price is moving up here, retail traders are getting excited and greedy. We are seeing trades move out in the market. We are seeing short trades come in here. That is what has been pushing us down in price here. Sorry, that's my account. By the way, we're up. We're only down about, I would say about 1.52% in the account. Okay, back to what I was telling you. Yesterday, we saw short trades increase. That created this drop back down in the market. I'm convinced of that, okay? Let's see what's happening today. As we go down here, I think what we're going to see, I don't know because I haven't updated the metrics update in 7 minutes here at 8 a.m. We could be seeing this start to show metric bars to the upside of looking for wells to actually buy the dip. And then that's when we could get a nice move back up in the market here. So make sure you guys are watching that, okay? Support and resistance prices. you guys are able to see that when we hit the support here, we could be seeing a nice bounce. This is the greatest level of support. It's down 167, maybe down here you could say 150 because that's where we're seeing a nice low drop here. 150 is at structure low. Yes, we could head back down to 150. So that's possible. So have buy limits set up. That's the point of that. Have your buy limit set up for that. Where's the target, however, for a move up? I think the greatest target is at the whole number of $200. $200 in here sits right at our break-even entry. It's a tug of war right now between $200 and about $150. Okay, this has put us right in the middle. If we break up here, I have no doubt we could hit $200 very easily and maybe hit structure high up here where we could be pushing close to $240, which if that happens from our break-even entry, we could be looking at about, about 20% profit we could take on this trade. Guys, I know some of these trades are down. I know people are in the loss right now, a lot of you guys, but these are some of the best buying times, and there's going to come a day on this video where I'm like, hey guys, we're all back in the profit and all the trades ended up winning. If that doesn't happen, crypto has to disappear forever and no more money can flow in the market. Like literally that has to happen. I don't think that's ever going to be a scenario for crypto. It's only getting more adopted globally by more people, okay? Look at dollar cost average entries here. You guys can see that these are great entries if you guys want to get in for Solana and hold for the long term. Basically, you don't want to just be put, so here's a thought. People put money in every Friday just to buy the dip. Here's the thing. Friday could actually end you guys up here, and you guys are actually missing out on probably 10, 20, 30% sometimes. You want to get, if you're going to dollar cost average in for the long run, just throw money in. You need a metric that's going to call the bottoms. This is what this metric is for. Every time you guys wake up and you check this chart here and you see a green line, it is guaranteed that it is on discount from the previous structures. Guaranteed, because it always tells you guys where the lower points are instead of picking the tops. You want the tops? Here are the tops down here. It's the one right underneath it. It's the exit points telling us that, hey, we could be heading down soon. So dollar cost average entries, people love this to just throw money into the market and hold for 5 to 10 years. And this is the exits down here. So that is the overall overview. I'm going to go into the second half of the video right now where I show you guys how to set up all of our trades and such. But guys, this is a pressure point and it could be seeing a nice pump back up here. And I want you guys to watch $200 or 150. If we're looking at a blockchain perspective here, while short trades are moving out of the market, there is more of an argument, not biased at all on my channel, there's more of an argument from a blockchain flow of money perspective that we are due for more of a move up here. So that's what I'm calling is a look for this to break to the upside, okay? If there was different data, I'd give you something different, but it would be foolish of me to say anything else because the data is, it's better to let the data be wrong instead of trying to manipulate the data into what you want it to do for your trades. That's a big lesson you must learn in trading, okay? Let's come over here. Here's how you guys get into our membership over here and trade with us so you guys can really, honestly, start taking trades today, and we're just going to keep, I really do believe we're going to keep winning trades, and we're probably going to, maybe go 100 for 100 wins before the end of the month. The membership is only $49. That's all it is, guys. It's so simple. I am going to be looking to up the price of this because we're hiring more people on and we're exploding over here because I think people are like, wow, finally a channel that is not losing crypto trades, and we're averaging between 10 to 15% per trade in here that we're winning, okay? 2 previous trades, 10.28%, 10.21, and we still have money in here. We could go up a lot higher than this to maybe push 15 to 20% on both these trades. We're averaging between 10 to 15% per trade, and we have never lost a trade, and we are 97 for 97 wins, okay? Get the membership. That will give you guys access into all of our trade calls. That's going to give you access to all the metrics up here for the top 12 coins. And here's where you guys want to really hang out. This is where you guys are going to be able to take all the trades and get into our coins. Obviously, today we're talking about sorry guys, Solana. I just got done doing a couple of videos here on ADA and EOS, so make sure you guys watch that as well. Click right here for Solana, and you guys will be able to see this chart. I want to keep it private for our members, so here's how you guys trade this. And then I'll go over the Christmas special for the indicators, because those you guys do not want to miss. All right, this is going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Has it updated? Yes, it has. We are sitting at 8 a.m., so we are updated officially for this day. We are very close. Here's what you guys are going to do. By the way, sorry, real quick pause. The way I knew this was updated is that you guys look at this right here. This told me that today was 12/21, and this is hard-coded into our exchange. So when this says 21 in here, that means today, December 21st, these are all the official buy limits for that day. Really fun thing. You guys actually requested this, and we were able to code it in, so I was super excited about that. All right, here's what you guys do. Have fun here. Let's say you guys have $1,000 and you want to split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions. That's all you do. Take the amount of money you want to trade with, split it into 4 equal portions, and place that at each buy limit. So for this example, you're going to place 250 here, 250 here, 250 here, and 250 here. Once your first buy limit is hit, do not move any of the other buy limits. Keep them where they're at in your exchange until you are 100% out of the trade. Okay. I need to drink more water over here. When you guys have your first buy limit hit, you want to, once your first buy limit gets hit, set up the sell limit shown in green into your exchange for a 100% exit, okay? Right here. This will give you guys an exit on the chart. What you guys want to do after that is most important here. Come over here and join the Telegram channel. You guys get into the Telegram channel for free once you sign up for the membership for the $49 a month, okay? Sign into the Telegram channel on your phone or your computer first, and then come over here and you guys will be able to get access into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with the indicators. Like I told you guys at the beginning of this video, the trend exhaustion, the price versus well money flow, that is what you guys are able to use to call these tops and the bottoms in the markets. And as mentioned, unlike any of the other indicators on TradingView, you guys actually end up getting alerts if you want to set up on higher level plans. You guys need to, I think you guys need at least a Pro Plus plan to set up more than one alert. So I just want to make that clear. Guys, honestly, if I'm totally honest about this, I personally don't use alerts because I'm on the charts so much, I don't need to use alerts. But if you guys want that, I've coded that into the trend exhaustion. Price versus well money flow doesn't have it because we just look at the relationship between the flow of money where price is. But you guys can use that for the trend exhaustion. You can set that up. That is how we're calling exits. When the trend exhaustion is in the top red section here and you watch the top red section, that is when we're looking for moves back down. That's why it's very valuable because you guys are visually able to see finally an indicator that's like, hello, red stop sign. The trend is looking to reverse back down, and then that's where we're looking for drops. Okay, that is why these are so powerful. Here's the deal on this, and I'm just going to end the video here so you guys can snag these and start having fun. The indicators right now for Christmas, because Christmas is awesome, you guys are going to get 84% off everything. Literally all of the indicators. It's a one-time purchase. It is not monthly. You get the source code for life, okay? Once you click this link here, go to checkout and enter coupon code Christmas. This is like these two indicators and these three indicators are amazing. You guys actually get with the bundle pack a total of 9 indicators. So you get 7 indicators on top of the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion, one of those being the trend dashboard. So those indicators you guys can look at on our website, and I am going to be trying to bring in the other 9 indicators into this next year. I wanted to get you guys familiar with these 3 because these are probably some of the most powerful ones we have. We have some for Forex guys that have never been coded on TradingView before. Literally, I've had the COO and the CMO try to purchase indicators, like purchase them from me and try to sell it on the TradingView platform. I'm like, no guys, I'm sorry. Thank you so much for that, but I want to keep it for my subscribers. I've put so much effort into these, and I've learned PineScript for the last 4 years to code these in here, and I've been able to code in different visual formations in here and code in alerts for indicators here that are built into TradingView that you guys are able to access a whole nother level of what's available for you guys. It's incredible. We are able to predict these market moves and not lose trades with these indicators. It is so powerful. Okay, sorry guys, that's YouTube. While we're here, I'm going to release the EOS video very soon. Sorry, guys. Didn't mean to click that button over there, that tab. Here's the thing. Let's wrap it up. The bundle pack is the best thing for you guys to get. Just make sure you enter Christmas at checkout. I'll be upping the bundle pack $50 at the end of this month. You guys get about 58 to 60% off the individual indicators. You get an extra 25% off each of these if you just get the bundle pack. Point being today, guys, get the indicators set up before those go up in price. Make sure you guys get the membership set up before that goes up in price. And then make sure you guys are watching this very closely. Overall, with short trades decreasing in the market, this is showing us that we could be seeing a very nice bullish sign here of a move back up. All right. If we move down further here, we could get a divergence here where the flow of money starts moving up here, the price starts moving down, and this is actually divergence and giving us a huge pump back up. So this is looking bullish in the market here for Solana. So let's keep watching, guys. God bless you so much. Get everything you need in the description. If you have any questions, email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com. God bless you guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.